Library Quick Guide to Adding Subtitles. Uploading to YouTube. The quickest way to add subtitles to your recorded work is to use the auto caption feature in YouTube. As we use Google Suite in college, you have a personal YouTube account linked to your Gmail, so the best thing is to log into your Gmail account first. Then you click on the 9 small tiles in the top right hand corner and scroll down until you see the YouTube icon. Click on this and it will bring you to the subscription and suggested items page. Then you'll need to click on the letter icon on the top right hand side of the screen and choose your channel. Now you need to click on the YouTube Studio button on the right hand side to bring you to the editing suite. Now click on the Create button on the top right hand side and choose Upload Files. Then you need to select the file that you want to work on. Search through your folders and click on the file you want and then click Open, and YouTube will begin to process your video. Adding captions. As YouTube is processing your video, you can add some more in background information. You need to go to add a title, and you also need some more information about what the video actually contains. You can also choose a thumbnail image, and that's what will represent the video in any lists later on. Scroll down and then you have to choose an audience. If you say yes, it's made for kids, it means that nobody else can save it in a playlist afterwards. Click on More Options and scroll down to the Language, Subtitles and Closed Caption option. This is where you choose the automatic captions to match the voiceover language. So if your voiceover is in English, scroll down until you see English United Kingdom as the option. After this, you can add a recording date if you like. And then to go to the next screen, just click Next. You can skip through this screen and click Next again, and on the final screen you can choose whether your video will be public or private. Once you have chosen, click Save. YouTube will continue to process the video, and it can take up to 30 minutes for the automatic subtitles to appear on your video. For more help and resources, you can search the library catalogue. You can check out the Study Skills site. You can look at the Moodle study guides. You can also email the library team at librarypros@gllm.ac.uk. You can also send us the message on Twitter @Clondishlolib.